Well, the outright arrogance of a TMC worker has been caught on camera. Asif Khan, a TMC worker, slapped a doctor when he dared to point out the rules to him. His shocking act has been captured on CCTV. Now, after the doctor registered a complaint with the police, Khan was arrested, but he was later let off. There you can see on those visuals there, Asif Khan slapping the doctor.
ममता बनर्जी के कार्यकर्ता जगह जगह अवैध वसूली कर रहे हैं, मारपीट कर रहे हैं, सरकारी कर्मचारियों को डरा रहे हैं, धमका रहे हैं और हाल में इस डॉक्टर को थप्पड़ मारा गया है तृणमूल के कार्यकर्ताओं द्वारा, जो तृणमूल के मंत्रियों मुकुल रॉय और दूसरे तमाम बड़े बड़े नेताओं के बहुत नजदीक रहा है और उसके द्वारा इस तरह की हरकत करना एक तरीके से तृणमूल कांग्रेस के राज में उन ममता की नीति है कि प्रशासन का मनोबल समाप्त कर दो, पुलिस का मनोबल खूब बढ़ा दो और दूसरे राजनीतिक दलों के लोगों को आतंकित कर दो। आतंक का नया नाम और नई परिभाषा जनतांत्रिक आतंक का नाम देकर के वह पश्चिम बंगाल में राज कर रही हैं और आगे भी राज करना चाहती हैं।
Well, Shambit Pal is on the phone line now. Shambit, we can see on those visuals absolute arrogance by that TMC worker there.
Exactly. In fact, he was close to TMC leaders and now he has claimed that he was part of the change brigade that Mamata Banerjee had floated. And in fact, he claimed himself to be in charge of the campaigning committee of Trinamool Congress. And what he had done on Sunday, he had taken his father to the hospital, and then when the doctors wanted to see the discharge certificate from him, he just slapped him and said that this is a discharge certificate. And he had threatened the doctors and the nursing home authority that he will ransack the whole nursing home, and he had allegedly with him about 1,000 TMC workers and other people, if not all of them were from TMC, but there were about 1,000 people. That is what the nursing home authorities had claimed. After this complaint was lodged, the police had gone through the CCTV footage, and then they had arrested him, but minor cases were slapped against him, and he was released. His father died yesterday, and on that pretext he was not facing the camera, and he wasn't willing to speak on this matter. That TMC-led Doctors Union, they have distanced themselves from this man. Even some TMC leaders we spoke to privately had said also that he had no direct connection with the TMC. But the fact of the matter is that he was very close to a TMC leader, and he himself, in fact, claimed in front of that doctor and other nursing home staff that he was part of TMC and he can show his power. So it's a bizarre incident that a person who is coming with his ailing father. The father wasn't admitted, and he had slapped that doctor for no reason at all, and threatened them with dire consequences.